Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tyler's Gardening Tips. Today I'm sharing a secret weapon to supercharge your garden: Epsom salt. This budget-friendly hack will boost seed germination and keep your plants thriving. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, speed up seed germination. Soaking your seeds in an Epsom salt solution before planting can enhance germination rates and strengthen your seedlings. Here's how. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water. Soak your seeds for 12 to 24 hours before you sow them. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps in seed cell formation and nutrient absorption, while sulfur supports enzyme production for robust early growth. Next, let's talk about reviving yellowing leaves with a foliar spray. If you notice yellowing leaves with green veins, it might be a sign of magnesium deficiency. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt per gallon of water and spray lightly on the leaves. Do this early in the morning or evening to avoid sunburn. It's especially effective for tomatoes, peppers, roses, and leafy greens. Third on our list is sweetening tomatoes and preventing blossom end rot. Some gardeners combine Epsom salt with calcium sources for healthier, tastier tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and a 1/4 cup of crushed eggshells or dry milk powder to your planting hole. Reapply as a diluted soil drench mid-season, but be cautious. Overuse can worsen calcium uptake, so soil testing is key. Here's a bonus hack: pairing Epsom salt with sugar for soil microbes. Struggling plants? Mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a gallon of water. Apply monthly to the soil. The sugar fuels microbial activity, while magnesium and sulfur boost plant metabolism. Avoid overuse to prevent nutrient lockout. Now let's talk about when to avoid Epsom salt. If your soil is already rich in magnesium, adding more can block calcium and potassium absorption. Certain plants like beans, conifers, and carnivorous plants are sensitive to Epsom salt. Always test your soil first to confirm deficiencies. And here's a pro tip for you. For fall blooms like mums and petunias, apply a monthly Epsom salt drench to enhance color and longevity. By using Epsom salt strategically, you can nurture healthier plants without breaking the bank. Just remember, moderation and soil testing are key to avoiding harm. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!